Hi there.
Hi. I haven't seen you around here before. Have you worked here long?
No, I've only been here a few months. I work in the Human Resources Department.
Oh, you must make more money than I do, then. I'm in sales.
Sales sounds like an interesting job.
It's okay. Hey, you look like you could really use a coffee.
Yes, it's been a really hectic week.
Tell me about it. At least it's supposed to be a nice weekend.
Yes, I've heard that they are calling for blue skies.
Say, did you happen to catch the game last night?
No, I was working late.
It was a great game. We won in overtime.
Actually, I don't even know who was playing. I don't really follow sports. Well, I better get back to my desk.
Speaking of desks, what do you think of the new office furniture?
It's nice, but I would rather get paid for my overtime hours than have new furniture.
Well, yeah, that's right.